And one thing about this condo, the Riviera condo, is they designed it so everywhere you go in the building, you got a view. So when you wake up, you have a view of the ocean every morning and every evening. You can see the sun come up over those islands in the morning. Right out here at the bedroom. And then as you come out the bedroom, you have the living room with also damn near the same view. You go outside, and you get some fresh air on the balcony and just look. I see an oil tanker out there, I think that is. And then when you come back inside,